Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Gummigoo from the Amazing Digital Circus. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw a wavy line across and then curve it up. And then a curve underneath for the eye. Now from the left side, let's curve it up and over. And then a long wavy line across and down for the top of the snout. Now from the end, let's curve it back in. And then add a zigzag line across for the mouth. Now let's move over to the right side again and let's draw a curve down and over to the left. And then let's draw a curve down on the left side. And that's it for the shape of the head. Now let's move to the top and draw the hat. Let's start on top of the mouth here and let's draw a curve over to the left and then curve it back down. Now on top in the middle, let's draw a curve over and then angle it back up. Then from the top of the line, let's curve it over to the left and down. Now from the bottom right corner, let's draw another curve underneath. And then one more curve to close off the brim. Now to finish off the top of the hat, let's add a small curve on top. And then from the top right corner, let's curve it over. And that's it for the hat. Now let's move down and finish drawing the body. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a curve down. And then another curve down on the right for the neck. And then from the side of the mouth, let's draw another curve down inside. Now underneath the right side, let's curve it out and bring it down like this. And now for the left side, let's leave a gap and let's draw a curve down like this. Now let's move to the sides and add the arms. From the sides of the neck, let's bring it out and down for the shoulders. And then let's angle it down. Another angle inside. And then bring this line back into the body. And now let's bring the outside line in as well, leaving a gap. Now for the hands, let's curve it down. And then next to this line, let's draw a curve underneath. And then one more bump back in to close off the hands. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Underneath the left side of the body, let's draw a curve down and angle it in slightly. And then another angle next to it on the right. Now let's move over to the right side and let's continue this body line by curving it over. And then two angles down underneath on the right for the other leg. Now underneath for the feet, let's draw 2 angled lines underneath each of the legs. And then a curve across the bottom. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's move in and let's finish drawing the details. Underneath that middle line, let's angle it down. And then a wavy line all the way down to the leg for the belly patch. Now top back up to the top and let's draw some V-shaped spikes along the back of the neck. Lastly, let's move down on the left and let's draw the tail. Underneath the hand, let's draw a curved line down and out. And then curve it back in. And then let's add another curve inside. And that's it for Gummigoo. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!